Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 208. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, oh you believe, udkhulu fis silmi kaffa, enter into Islam wholeheartedly, and follow not the khutuwatu shaitan, and follow not the footsteps of the devil. Allah is telling that, oh you who believe, enter into Islam wholeheartedly, not partly, completely, and follow not the footsteps of the devil, for he to you is an avowed enemy. And when you read the Quran, we come to know that mostly Allah says, do not follow the footsteps of the devil. You will not find Allah saying, do not follow the devil. You know why? I'd like to give an example. Suppose there is a good Muslim, an average good Muslim, and if a girl comes and tells that Muslim, let's spend the night together, he will say, zina, spending night together, haram. He will not agree. This is the Satan coming directly. But the same average Muslim, if a girl folds him, he will say, speaking to a namaram girl on the phone, no problem. There's no problem, not speaking to a girl on the phone. Then after a few times speaking on the phone, when the girl says, let's go to have coffee in Starbucks. Going with a girl to have coffee in the Starbucks, no problem. So he goes to have coffee with the girl in the Starbucks. Then the girl says, let's go and have dinner together. Going to have dinner with the girl, namaram girl, no problem. Then she says, let's spend the night together. He says, no problem. This is khutuwatu shaitan. It is my example, it's not mentioned in the Quran. Quran only says khutuwatu shaitan. I'm giving you an example, what is khutuwatu shaitan. This is how you keep on breaking the barrier of hijab, and slowly the Satan gets the better of you. So Allah says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, oh you believe, udkhulu fis silmi kaffa, enter into Islam wholeheartedly, and follow not the footsteps of the devil.